Hi friends, Salil Esami. Welcome to my channel. I'll be sharing my first experience of Kedarkatha Winter Tech with you, which will be useful for you to get prepared for your upcoming Winter Tech. Let's go into the video. Here are the list of viewed items which you need to buy are given in the description provided with link. Let's see each item in detail. This is Casio shoe brand name Dias, imported from South Korea, which you need for winter walk. This is Wildcraft 60-liter backpack where we can store our required trekking stuff. So next, here is a pair of woolen socks which you wear before your trekking shoe to keep your feet warmer and comfortable during the trek. So get an extra pair. This is Betsy adult ski gloves which will make your hands warmer and comfortable while holding the trekking pole. You can get them in different sizes which fit your hands. Always wear your gloves tightly to hold the grip. Next, you have a pair of socks to wear before your Casio shoes. This is woolen liner gloves which we wear before the ski gloves that makes you comfortable. Next, this is 2-liter water bladder which is the most important thing for the trekker to carry and take a sip instantly while trekking. Next, you have amazing transparent coolers bought from Specs Makers which get you a nice view and protects you from sunlight. Here is a head torch with set of extra batteries which is the most important thing during night time while walking in campsite. Red light indicates that you are in danger and white light will give you a brighter view during the night time. Next, this is ear muffler which prevents cold air entering your ears. Here is a sleeping mask which covers your eyes and gives you a nice sleep. This is trek trouser which will make you warmer and walk comfortably while trekking. Next, here is your thermal bottom and top innerwear which you need to wear as your base layer that can be used during campsite. This is neck warmer and beanie which protects your neck and head from cold weather. Next, this is your thermal fleece which you need to wear after your base layer gives you warmer. Then you need to carry 3 sets of quick dry towel to wipe sweat. Here is your down jacket which we wear as an extra layer while during the summit. This is poncho which is required while there is a snow. Next, this is your personal medikit where you store your required medicines, lip balm, sunscreen and cold cream which are mandatory to carry during your trek. That's it. Stay tuned for my next Kedarkatha video. Until then, thank you. See you soon. Merci. Au revoir.